This is how you integrate an Octo polycarbonate light panel into a recessed LED fixture during contractor installation. Let's start by removing all the screws from the back of the LED fixture. Lift the back of the light fixture to access the inside. Decide if the diffuser should stay or be removed. If the LEDs inside create bright spots or hot spots, it's best to keep the diffuser in place and install our panel in front of it to soften the light evenly. Now, go ahead and peel off the protective film from the panel and place it inside, beneath the diffuser if kept. Reattach the back of the fixture and make sure to tighten all the screws. Now, finish up by installing the LED fixture into the ceiling grid. Here's how to trim an Octo polycarbonate light panel for a custom fit. So first things first, measure and mark the panel to your required dimensions. Score along your line with a utility knife, using a straight edge for clean control. Once the groove is deep enough, align the score line with the edge of a table and let the offcut hang over. Carefully apply pressure to snap the panel cleanly at the cut,